Hi guys, in this video we will see how to make a form in Microsoft Word. You can easily create a form, such type of boxes, very easy. First, keep the cursor where you want to insert such type of form boxes. Simply type 25A caps lock and 1, and after that press Alt plus X. And you can see as soon as you press Alt plus X, this will convert it into a box. Now select the box. Select this box and press Ctrl plus C and press Ctrl plus V. And you can see a box like created. Simply Ctrl C, copy and paste it on the desired place. You can easily create a form in Microsoft Word very easily in